Hey, how you doing? I'm the Don, the godfather of computers, here with this week's cybersecurity tip number 14. Don't just close your browser. When online, accessing a banking site or other applications containing sensitive data, make sure you log out of the site and then close your browser. If you simply close your browser, some of the session information that a hacker can use to gain entry into your computer may still be running in the background. How secure are internet browsers? Well, first, let's check out the browsers that you may already know. Google Chrome is by far the most popular browser. Unfortunately, it's also a data collection tool as well, and not a good choice for anyone looking for privacy. Edge is a Microsoft product. Internet Explorer and Edge are also closed source, so there's no telling what funny business is going on behind the scenes, and they're also not the best for privacy reasons. Opera started off as a decent browser, developed in Norway. However, in 2016, it was sold to a Chinese consortium for $600 million, and a lot has changed. Need I say more? Unless your browser is properly configured, it may contain a lot of private information that can be exploited or collected by third parties. That information can include your browsing history, and that would mean all the websites you visit, your usernames and passwords, cookies and trackers that are placed in your browser by the sites you visit, autofill information like names, addresses, phone numbers, etc. Even with a locked down and secure browser, there may still be attack systems that reveal your data and potential identity. So what should you do? Don't stay logged into an email or social media account. Trackers from these sites can record your activity when you browse the web. If these sites get hacked, all that data is now for sale on the web and accessible to anybody. Here's a possible solution to the problem. It's called browser compartmentalization. This is when you use different browsers for different online activities. For example, browser 1 will only be used for accessing your online accounts that require a password. You can only stay logged in with this browser. Do not use this browser for general browsing. Browser number 2 will only be used for web browsing with various privacy configurations, and no cookies or history being stored on the browser. Browser 3 could be completely locked down for maximum privacy and security. How secure are you when you browse the web, check your email, or check your social media accounts? There are several browsers designed for higher security. A quick search at Google, Bing, or Safari will provide lots of options. Whatever you do, please do not use the Tor browser. That's spelled T-O-R, and it's also called the Onion browser. While it is one of the most secure browsers, it also has the highest potential danger. A word to the wise should be sufficient. There are lots of posts online that will give you ideas how to secure your browsers. Just search for how to secure my browser. As always, if you're not sure what to do or you want more specific help, please call HBB Tech at 636-542-8653. We'd be happy to help you in any way we can. That's it for tip number 14. Next week's tip will be your firewall is useless unless, remember, it ain't personal, it's just business. Till next time.